Hello, yoga friends. You may not recognize me today because I am officially the yoga fairy, but you might know me as Leanne. I do yoga stories and adventures here on YouTube for kids and families every week. And today we're going to be going on a very special yoga adventure so that the yoga fairy can help you to find your very amazing self. Yeah, an adventure to you. Down the rainbow bridge, all the way to your amazing self. Let's get going. Come on, you know you're into it. Let's have some fun. So come on down to your yoga mats and let's warm up for it. All right, get comfy, cozy, any old way you like, and take a deep breath in. And a long yoga breath out. That's all you need. You have everything you need right here. So start off with your airplane arms, just like this. Excellent, that's what you're gonna need. And now show me your helicopter arms, just like this. You got it. And finally, show me your rocket ship arms, just like this. You might know this song, it's from Yogapalooza. She's amazing, I love her, and we borrowed this song from her. She said we could do it here on YouTube, so let's get going. And aeroplane and aeroplane. Good. Helicopter, helicopter, aeroplane. Again, an aeroplane and aeroplane. Helicopter, helicopter, aeroplane. A rocket, a rocket. Helicopter, helicopter, aeroplane. A rocket, a rocket. Helicopter, helicopter, aeroplane. Are we there yet? A little bit faster? Okay, let's go. An aeroplane, helicopter, helicopter, aeroplane, an aeroplane, helicopter, helicopter, aeroplane, a rocket, helicopter, helicopter, aeroplane, a rocket, helicopter, helicopter, aeroplane. Okay, are we there yet? No? Last time? Best time? Fastest time? Oh, brother. Okay, here we go. An aeroplane, helicopter, aeroplane, aeroplane, hello, aeroplane, a rocket, hello, aeroplane, a rocket, hello, aeroplane. Woo! We did it. Well done, well done, well done, yogis. Bravo. Excellent. All right, here we are now. I promised you we would be exploring some rainbows, because that's where you can find your best self. And with my magic yoga wand, anything is possible here. And I'm going to show you how amazing you are. So come on to your knees. Take one leg, any leg, and put it out to the side. Just like this. Excellent. One leg out, one arm out. And what you're going to do is you're just going to place your other hand down and you're going to roll it up and around, and roll it up and around, and roll it up and around. And this time we're going to just reach our arm over, and now you feel like you are the rainbow, all the colors, red and pink and orange and blue and yellow and purple and turquoise too. Excellent. And bring your knees together. Breathe in. And switch. Other leg comes out. Reach, reach, reach. Let's be a rainbow on the other side. Other hand comes down and around. You can go as quickly or as slowly as you like. Maybe try changing directions. Maybe you like that better. And one more time. Keep breathing and reach, reach, reach. Excellent. Look at all those beautiful rainbow colors. Do you feel them from your fingers to your toes? I see them and I feel them. All right, bring your knees together. Bring your hands to your heart and repeat after me. Life is good. Life is great. I am here to celebrate. That's what the yoga fairy says. Life is good. Life is great. I am here to celebrate. And now I'm going to breathe on my magic yoga wand and send you all of that energy. I hope you feel it. Life is good, life is great, and we are all here to celebrate. All right, let's stand up and keep on going. So here in this amazing place, there are rainbows and there are also unicorns. Unicorn pose is so much fun. We get to use our imagination. This is our unicorn horn. Breathe it up, look up, and lower it down as you breathe out. And bring your feet together and change feet. Horn goes in front, breathe it up. And breathe it out. Come back to center. There are also stars, beautiful stars twinkling in the sky. I wonder what color your star is, because the stars are rainbow colored here, and the more different and beautiful they are, the better they are. Nothing has to be the same. Let's twinkle our star from side to side. I hope you feel as beautiful and bright as I see you, all 5 points of your body sparkling in all of your rainbow goodness. Life is good. Life is great. We are all here to celebrate. I wonder if you could be a falling star now. Woo! Plunk. Good job. Okay, so from here, let's come into our waterfall pose. The waterfall is beautiful. And there's so much energy in the waterfall. So can you get all of your beautiful energy as you lift your arms up and breathe in? And then roll your waterfall down. Roll, 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 roll. Bend your knees. Bend your knees as much as you need to. Hold onto your toes and just rest here for a moment. And let's do that 2 more times. Breathe in. All of the beautiful rushing power of the waterfall is in your body. Your amazing body. And your amazing breath. Last time. Reach, reach, reach. And roll, 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 roll. Super duper. Hold it here. And come on back up. All right, let's get into those warrior poses. Warrior poses are awesome because they let us know how amazing we are. And here, as your yoga fairy, I'm here to remind you how awesome you are. That's my job. Bring your arms up, breathe in. Here we are. Bend your front knee. Warrior 1 is so much fun. So repeat after me. Warrior 1 is so much fun. Excellent. Now let's open up into Warrior 2. Warrior 2 is what we do. Repeat after me. Warrior 2 is what we do. Now come into Warrior 3. Warrior 3 is meant for me. Warrior 3 is meant for me. And come back and let's try the same thing on the other leg. All right, my amazing yogis. Warrior 1 is so much fun. Warrior 2 is what we do. Warrior 3 is meant for me. Excellent. Yes. Well done. All of the warrior poses. Super duper. Come on down because we are going to make some music. Come on in, dragon. Don't be shy. Hi, everybody. So, dragon, what instrument did you bring with?
I have a ukulele today.
And do you know how to make music with it?
I do.
So, I know how to sing. You probably know how to sing. And if you play the ukulele, maybe we can have a band.
We can.
We're like a yoga band. Okay. So this song is called I Love Flowers, and we're going to think of different things that we love about ourselves, about the world, about our yoga, because that's a great way to just celebrate being alive. So great to be alive. Let's start with flowers. I love flowers. Yes, I do, because they bloom in the earth and in our bodies too. I love flowers. Ooh, 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 I love flowers. I can hear some singing, can you?
I can.
What do you love?
I love nature.
All right, let's do it, nature. I love nature. Yes, I do, because it's all around us and it reminds us of who we really are, a part of nature. Ooh, 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 we're a part of nature. Let's think of a yoga pose that we like. I wonder which ones our friends like. I'll choose one that I like, and I hope that you liked it too. Let's try rainbow. I love rainbows in yoga and in the world. I love rainbows. Yes, I do, because they have so many colors, and we are rainbows too. I love rainbows. Ooh, 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 I love rainbows. What's your favorite yoga pose?
Oh, I love bugs.
Bugs?
Yeah, bug pose.
Bug pose? Okay, we did that. We've done that one in different yoga stories. You can find one of those we've done before. Bugs. I love dead bug or live bug. Yes, I do, because they're really silly and you get to move your arms and legs too. We love bug pose. Ooh, 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 we love bug pose. Bug pose is really fun. Good one. How about breathing? I love breathing. Yes, I do, because the more we breathe, the more calm we are, and that's the best thing to do. I love breathing. Ooh, 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 I love breathing. All right, last one. What's it going to be?
Yoga.
I love yoga. Yes, I do, because we get to move and breathe and be our best selves too. I love yoga. Ooh, 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 I love yoga. Yoga is for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you for inviting me.
Well, thank you all for moving and breathing and stretching and being yourselves. Nothing better than just being in your own body and reconnecting to what really matters and learning how to feel your feelings, right?
That's so important.
And breathe your breath. That's all there is. So our final yoga pose today is going to be easy pose, which is right here, as you are, or meditation pose. And let's just take a moment to reconnect to our bodies, reconnect to our breath. Remember how awesome you are. You're enough. You're kind. You're peaceful. And you can say those things. I am. So repeat after me. I am enough. I am kind. I am peaceful.
I am peaceful.
Deep breath in and a long, slow and sweet breath out. Thank you for being on this journey with me, the yoga fairy, Leanne, and with
Dragon the musician. Cookie
Leanne
the musician.
Cookie. Yeah, it was really nice and really fun. And we will see you for more yoga adventures and stories and fun. Keep breathing, keep being yourself, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
See ya.